Today, we're diving into Donald Trump's pick for U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi. You may know her as Florida's former Attorney General, a Trump loyalist, or the person at the center of some past controversies. But what does this pick mean for the Department of Justice and for Trump's agenda? Let's break it all down. Pam Bondi is no stranger to politics. She served as Florida's Attorney General from 2011 to 2019, becoming the first woman to hold that position. Before that, she spent nearly 2 decades as a prosecutor in Hillsborough County. With a background in criminal justice from the University of Florida and a law degree from Stetson University, she's got the legal chops, but her career has been just as much about loyalty as it has been about law. Bondi and Trump go way back. She endorsed him during his 2016 campaign and was part of his legal team during his first impeachment trial. Most recently, she's been leading the legal arm of the America First Policy Institute, a think tank pushing Trump's agenda. Clearly, their professional relationship has been strong for years. Trump announced Bondi's nomination with glowing praise, highlighting her record on crime and her role in tackling the opioid crisis in Florida. He also took the opportunity to slam the Department of Justice, calling it partisan and weaponized against Republicans. Here's a snippet of what he said. Pam was a prosecutor for nearly 20 years, tough on violent criminals, and made the streets safe for Florida families. She'll refocus the DOJ on fighting crime and making America safe again. But let's not forget, Bondi's career hasn't been without controversy. In 2013, her office chose not to pursue fraud charges against Trump University after receiving a $25,000 donation from Trump's charity. Critics called it a conflict of interest, and the donation was later deemed illegal. Then, after leaving office, she joined a lobbying firm and even registered as a foreign agent representing Qatar. These past actions might come up during her Senate confirmation hearings. Speaking of confirmation, Bondi's path looks smoother than Trump's previous pick, Matt Gaetz, who faced backlash over allegations of misconduct. Senate Republicans seem far more comfortable with Bondi, and some are even calling her nomination a grand slam. But that doesn't mean it'll be a cakewalk. Democrats are sure to press her on her loyalty to Trump and how it might affect the independence of the DOJ. So, what's the bigger picture here? Bondi's nomination signals Trump's intent to reshape the Department of Justice. He's been vocal about making the DOJ more accountable to the president and pursuing investigations against his political adversaries. If confirmed, Bondi would oversee over 115,000 DOJ employees, tackling everything from civil rights cases to corporate prosecutions. Her role would be pivotal in implementing Trump's vision for a more loyal and less independent DOJ. This comes at a time when the DOJ is under intense scrutiny, especially with ongoing investigations into Trump himself. Many are asking, can the DOJ remain impartial under a loyalist like Bondi, or is this part of Trump's strategy to protect himself and his allies? Now, let's be clear. Bondi's confirmation would mark a significant shift in how the DOJ operates. Her past record shows she's tough on crime, but critics worry she's more focused on protecting Trump than enforcing the law fairly. Whether you're a fan of Trump or not, this decision could reshape American justice for years to come. So, what do you think? Is Pam Bondi the right pick to lead the Department of Justice? Or is this a step in the wrong direction? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.